STEKOM University, Indonesia since January 2024. Now, I would like to welcome our Honorable Vice Chairman, sir, and our Honorable Registrar, and our beloved Principal, sir, for this wonderful webinar. And also, I extend my warm welcome to today's chief guest speaker, Mr. Migunani, Head of Information System Department, STEKOM University. And also, I would like to welcome MC Ms. Novita Ankisari, and also I would like to welcome Rector of STEKOM University, Indonesia, Dr. Joseph, for this webinar. The topic of this webinar is artificial intelligence and machine learning driving sustainable digital transformation. And also, the last but not least, I would like to welcome our students of AIDS and AIML and faculty members of AIDS department and press and media for this event. Now, I would like to welcome our principal, sir, to felicitate the gathering. Please, sir.
Thank you, Professor Noorul. Very good afternoon to all. Respected Vice Chairman, beloved Registrar, Head of the Department, Coordinator Noorul Hussain. Sir, is audible, sir?
Yes, sir.
Is audible?
Yes, sir. It's audible, sir.
Head of the Department, AIDS and AIML. Faculty members. Today, resource person, come chief guest, Professor Migunani, Head of Information System, Department of STEKOM University, Indonesia. And my dear students, very good afternoon to all. It's my great pleasure and privilege about today after topic for a felicitation address. This after topic artificial intelligence and machine learning driving sustainable digital transformation. How we approach sustainability and digital transformation. They are powerful tools driving innovation and efficiency across various sectors. Artificial intelligence refers to the ability of machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes things like understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, and making decisions. For machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. It involves training algorithm on large data sets to learn patterns and make prediction or decision without being explicit programmed. The driving sustainable digital transformation, various sectors, it includes energy management. In artificial intelligence, optimize energy with the help of MI consumption, predict energy demand, waste reduction, reduce overproduction in manufacturing sector, agriculture sector, supply chain optimization, water management, smart cities, healthcare. In future of sustainable digital transformation, it's included as AIDS and AIML technology continue to evolve in future, where digital transformation not only boosts efficiency and innovation, but also ensure a more sustainable and eco-friendly world. In this is more than enough. I invite and hand over the session to today resource person. Through this international webinar is useful to the student community also. I extend my invitation to Migunani, Professor and another department in information system, Indonesia, I hand over the session. Welcome, sir. On behalf of Arunai Engineering College and managements, I hand over the session to you, sir. Thank you very much for providing opportunity. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Principal Sir, for giving a wonderful felicitation address.
Okay, thank you.
Now, I would like to welcome our today's chief guest, Professor Migunani, Head of the Information System Department from the STEKOM University, Indonesia, to take over the session. Please, sir.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Good afternoon, everyone. Let me to introduce myself. I am Migunani, lecturer from STEKOM University. I am the head of Information System undergraduate study program. It is a great honor to be here today as we dive into one of topic, artificial intelligence and machine learning driving sustainable digital transformation. This lecture is designed to provide an understanding of the role of artificial intelligence and machine learning in driving sustainability digital transformation across various industry sectors. In the ever-evolving digital era, data-driven technologies play a key role in addressing increasingly complex business challenges. AI and ML provide innovative solutions through process automation, in-depth data analysis, and the ability to predict and respond to business needs in real time. This technology not only improve operational efficiency, but also drive environmental sustainability by optimizing the use of resource intelligently. This lecture will take participants on the exploration of various AI and ML applications that are relevant to modern business challenges. Successful case from companies that have implemented AI-based digital transformations, such as Google, Amazon, Facebook, and others. We hope you will gain an understanding of how AI and ML can be used as strategic tool to maximize business potential and digital transformation. We hope that through this lecture, you can capture a clear reflection of the future of technology that is not only intelligent, but also responsible and sustainable. Thank you for joining us today and look forward. And driving sustainable digital transformation. On artificial intelligence and machine learning, major development in machine learning and artificial intelligence have transformed many aspects of human life in the past few decades. This evolution has been fueled by advances in machine learning technique, the availability of a large amount of data, increasing computing capacity, and innovation in increasingly complex in intelligent algorithm. Digital transformation. This process of integrating digital technology into all aspects of business and people lives, changing the way they operate, interact, and deliver value. Digital transformation involves not only new technology, but also change in culture, business operation, and better use of data to improve efficiency, innovation, and customer services. Evolution of the machine learning. The early development, machine learning was first introduced as a branch of AI in the 1950 with the initial concept of neural network and basic classification learning algorithm. And the next is perceptron in the 1968 by Frank.
frank.
1968 by Frank. 1968 by Frank. 1968 by Frank. 1968 by Frank. 1968 by Frank. 1968 by Frank. 1968 by Frank. 1968 by Frank. 1968 by Frank. 1968 by Frank. 1968 by Frank. 1968 by Frank. 1968 by Frank. 1968 by Frank. 1968 by Frank. 1968 by Frank. 1968 by Frank. 1968 by Frank. 1968 by Frank. 1968 by Frank. 1968 by Frank. 1968 by Frank. 1968 by Frank. 1968 by Frank. 1968 by Frank. 1968 by Frank. 1968 by Frank. 1968 by Frank. 1968 by Frank. 1968 by Frank. 1968 by Frank. 1968 by Frank. 1968 by Frank. 1968 by Frank. 1968 by Frank. 1968 by Frank. 1968 by Frank. 1968 by Frank. 1968 by Frank. 1968 by Frank. 1968 by Linear and logistic regression method began to be used for a simple prediction and classification. And the next is statistical models such as regression and Canier's snakeboard became the basis for the development of early machine learning algorithm. And the next evolution is decision tree algorithm, naive Bayes, SVM or super vector machine algorithm began to be introduced. And the next is the emergence of big data and the widespread use of internet. The exponential growth of digital data has opened a new era in machine learning. The amount of data generated by user and web application is increasingly rapidly. Machine learning uses a big data to train algorithm more accurately. And algorithms such as random forest and boosting, ada boost, gradient boost, for example, are introduced and provide more robust models for more complex of the data. And super vector machine or SVM are also starting to be used for a large-scale classification. And the next is deep learning and neural network. Deep learning is driven by innovation in deep neural network that are able to capture complex patterns from big data. The algorithm of deep learning is a convolutional neural network, recurrent neural network, natural language processing, and generative adversarial network or GAN architecture. And the next evolution is AutoML and further development. AutoML automates the process of developing machine learning model. It eliminates the need for human intervention in several stages, such as algorithm selection, data processing, and hyperparameter tuning. ML is not limited to a specific task, but can perform multitasking and high flexibility. Large-scale machine learning models such as GPT-3 or ChatGPT by OpenAI and Bard by Google or next called as Gemini are example of a pre-trained model that have billions of parameters and can be used for various tasks with minimal fine-tuning. Fundamental differences between AI and ML. Artificial intelligence, the term of the artificial intelligence was first used by John McCartney in 1956. And the machine learning, this terminology was first used in 1952 by IBM computer scientist Arthur Samuel. Artificial intelligence is ability to acquire and apply knowledge. But machine learning, acquisition of the knowledge or skill through learning from data. And the artificial intelligence increase the chance of success, but machine learning improve accuracy and precision. Artificial intelligence developing intelligent system capable of performing a variety of complex tasks versus machine learning is building a machine that can only do the job it has been trained to do. In the artificial intelligence, work as a computer program that does intelligent work. And the machine learning, a computer program that takes data and learn from the data. Artificial intelligence consists three. Number one is artificial narrow intelligence. And the second one is artificial general intelligence. And the third one is artificial super intelligence. And the machine learning consists of three machine learning types. That is supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. And the artificial intelligence designed to work autonomously or with minimal human intervention, depending on the complexity of the task. And the machine learning or ML algorithm require human involvement to set up, training, and optimize the system. But no AutoML can process it automatically. The next chapter is a digital transformation. Digital transformation refers to the use of digital technology to change the way an organization operates, interact with customers, and create new value in its business. Digital transformation started to become popular around the mid 2010. Digital transformation has started since the emergence of computer into the internet. And the mid of 2010 became a pivotal point in digital transformation. Rapid technology development. The emergence of smartphone, cloud computing, big data, and AI are driving business to adopt digital technology more massively. And the next is change in the customer behavior. Customers are increasingly accustomed to be digital technology and demand more personal and efficient experiences. Increasingly tight business competition. Companies that to do not transform digital will be left behind by other or their competitor. Goal and the benefit of digital transformation. The goal of digital transformation is to improve an organization efficiency, innovation, and competitive advantage in an increasingly connected and rapidly changing environment. By effectively leveraging digital technology, company can improve customer experiences, optimize internal operation, and deliver better product and services. What is the benefit of digital transformation? The first one is increased operational efficiency. Using digital technology to automate business process, reduce cycle time, improve productivity, and eliminate operational bottleneck. And second one is product and service innovation. Building new or enhancing existing product and services by leveraging digital technology, artificial intelligence, and data to be better meet customer needs. Improve customer experiences. Providing more personalized, responsive, and connected customer experiences across digital channels, increasing customer loyalty and satisfaction. This is a goal of the benefit of digital transformation. And the next is market expansion. Unlock new opportunity for business growth by leveraging digital technology to reach new market, expand geographic reach, and create new business model. And the next is better analytic and decision making. Sharpening business insight by analyzing data related to operation, customer, and markets. They will be making better, more informed decision. And the next is better employee engagement. Driving employee engagement by providing access to digital tools that enable better collaboration, continuous learning, and effective communication across the organization. And the next is adaptability and flexibility, making the organization more responsive to change in the market, technology, and business environment by becoming more flexible, more adaptive, and innovative. And the next is cost reduction and increased profitability, reducing operational costs by improving efficiency, identifying and eliminating waste, and increasing revenue by innovating new products and services. And the next is competitive advantage, by creating a sustainability competitive advantage by being more efficient, more responsive, and innovative than competitor in an increasingly connected and rapidly changing marketplace. Sustainability and long-term growth in the next. Building a solid foundation for long-term growth by adapting digital technology and best practice that enable the organization to remain relevant and sustainable in the future. That is a digital transformation model. There are several models that can be used as a guide in implementing digital transformation in an organization. The first one is the 4P digital transformation. This model emphasizes four key aspects of digital transformation, namely people, process, platform, and performance. The focus of this model is ensure that the organization has skilled human resource, optimized processes, appropriate technology platforms, and measurable performance to support digital transformation. The 4P is a digital transformation model is a framework that identifies four key dimensions to consider in organization digital transformation. Okay, the first one consists of the 4P digital transformation is people. People is focused on developing employee capability and skill to scope with change, identify need for new talent needed to manage digital technology, and ensure employee involvement in the transformation process and build a culture that support innovation and continuous learning. And the second one is process. Process re-evaluate existing business process to identify area where digital technology can improve efficiently, flexibility, and responsiveness. Redesign business process to better suit the digital information, including the application of automation and technology integration, and ensure this process can generate added value for customer and the organization as a whole. In the next 4P is platform. Platform to develop adequate technology infrastructure to support digital transformation. Select and implement the right technology platform to support business needs, including data management system, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and other technology. Integrating different platform and system to ensure interoperability and data consistency. This is artificial intelligence and machine learning to support an organization for this platform implementation. And the next is performance. Determine appropriate performance indicator to measure the progress and success of the digital transformation. Regularly monitor the organization performance, both in operational and business result. Use data and analytics to evaluate the effectiveness of the strategy and identify area for improvement or adjustment. And the second one of the digital transformation model is McKinsey Three Horizon of Growth. McKinsey's Three Horizon of Growth model is a framework that helps organizations identify and manage their innovation portfolio across three distinct growth horizons. The model describes three growth horizons as Horizon 1, current value creation, Horizon 2 is extension and expansion of current value, and Horizon 3 is new value creation. The Horizon 1 is current value creation. The first horizon focuses on innovation related to the organization's current core business. The goal is to improve efficiency, optimize processes, and expand the market reach of existing products and services. Innovation in Horizon 1 are often oriented toward product development, service renewal, and improvement of existing processes. The main focus is to maintain and strengthen the current market position and competitive advantage. Here are some key points related to Horizon 1. The first one is operational efficiency improvement. Innovation in Horizon 1 is often oriented toward improving operational efficiency in the core business. This can include process automation, system upgrade, or the use of technology to optimize operational performance. And second one is product and service development. The organization focus on developing and updating existing product or services. The goal is to increase customer value and increase market appeal and maintain competitive advantage. In the third one is process improvement. In the Horizon 1 also involve improving existing business process to improve efficiency, quality, and responsiveness. Organizations look for ways to optimize their operation to be more effective in achieving their business objective. And the next is technology upgrades. Organizations may upgrade and replace existing technology to stay relevant and competitive in the marketplace. This may include updating information system, investing in IT infrastructure, or migrating to a more modern technology platform. And the next is maintaining and strengthening market position. The primary focus of Horizon 1 is to maintain and strengthen existing market position and competitive advantage. Organizations strive to improve their product, services, and operations to remain relevant and competitive in a changing marketplace. And the next is managing risks. Although innovation in Horizon 1 tends to be more stable and predictable, organizations must still be aware of the risks associated with change, including operational, financial, and reputational risks. By focusing on Horizon 1, organizations can keep their core business relevant and competitive in a changing marketplace, while continuing to seek opportunity to improve efficiency, increase customer value, and strengthen their market position. The next is Horizon 2. K for Horizon 2 is extension and expansion of current value. The second horizon focuses on innovation that extend the organization core business into new area or related market segment. Innovation in Horizon 2 might include new product development or diversification of product, expansion into new market, or penetration into underexplored market segment. The goal is to create additional source of growth that strengthen the core business and help the organization stay relevant in a changing marketplace. Here is some key point related to Horizon 2. The first one is expansion into new territory or market segment. Organization identify opportunity to expand their core business into new geographic area or previously unexplored market segment. This could include expanding into new country, new city, or different vertical markets. New product or services development. In the Horizon 2 involve developing new product or services that are related to organization core business but may target different market needs or wants. Organization may create product variation, additional feature, or service package tailored to the new market segment. In the third one is a related diversification. In the Horizon 2, organizations consider diversifying into business that are related to their core business, but may expand their reach and portfolio. For example, a technology company expanding into healthcare or renewable technology. In the next is investment in research and development. In the Horizon 2, require investment in research and development to explore new opportunity and develop product or services that meet emerging market needs. In the next is building the new market for existing product or services. Organization seeks to expand market share for existing product or services through deeper market penetration or expansion into new territories. In the next is maintenance focus core of business. Despite the focus on expansion and diversification, organization maintain focus on their core business to ensure sustainability and operational strength. And the next is Horizon 3. The Horizon 3 key value is new value creation. The third horizon focus on completely new innovation, creating product, services, or business model that have never existed before. Innovation in Horizon 3 is often related to the discovery of new technology and depth market research and high-risk experimentation. The goal is to create a new opportunity that can change the game, open new market, and create entirely new market. The primary focus is on the pursuit of the long-term growth and preparing the organization for the future. Here is some key point related to Horizon 3. The key of the one is disruptive innovation. Horizon 3 focus in innovation that have the potential to disrupt existing market by creating entirely new product, services, or business model. New and differentiated product and services development is the second one. The organization create a product or services that are not only unique, but also create new demand in the market or addresses an unmet need. And the third one is exploration of new technology and ideas. In the Horizon 3 involve exploring the new technology and ideas that have not been widely tested, including artificial intelligence, blockchain, virtual reality, and other, including machine learning. In-depth market research, the organization conduct in-depth market research to understand hidden trends, needs, and opportunity in the market. This helps them identify market gaps and capture potential growth of opportunity. In the next is partnership and collaboration. In the Horizon 3, often involve partnership and collaboration with technology company, startup, university, and other organizations that can help in the development and commercialization of new ideas. And the next is managing risk and uncertainty. In the Horizon 3 carries high level of risk and uncertainty because it is trying new and unproven things. Organization must be prepared to manage this risk and accept that not all innovation will successful. Changing the game is the next of the Horizon 3 focus. The primary goal of Horizon 3 is to create new growth opportunity that have the potential to change the game in the market and open up pathways for a long-term growth. This is an example for company to apply artificial intelligence and apply machine learning. Many companies across industry have implemented artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, to support their digital transformation. The first one is the technology sector. This is Google company implement ad and search optimization using artificial intelligence and machine learning. Google use machine learning to optimize web services, web sources, understand user behaviors, and provide more relevant search results. Machine learning algorithms are also used in advertising optimization, like Google Ads, to target the right audience based on user behaviors. AutoML is a platform from Google, allow developer without a data science background to create custom ML model with automation in the model training process. In fact, for the implementing of AI and machine learning is Google has managed to increase the relevance of search results and the effectiveness of ads, which in turn increase the company profit. And the next in e-commerce sector, like Amazon implement a product recommendation and order fulfillment. Amazon use collaborative filtering and content-based filtering algorithm to provide personalized product recommendation. Machine learning is also used in supply chain management, order fulfillment, and logistics, such as with the Amazon robotic system that optimize the picking and shipping process in warehouse. Impact for implement of the AI and machine learning, improve logistic efficiency, and personalized shopping have transformed the customer experience, helping Amazon dominate the global e-commerce market. And the next in automotive sector, Tesla with autonomous car. Tesla is applying deep learning and computer vision to develop autonomous driving technology. Tesla cars are equipped with various sensors that collect data to build machine learning models that continuously learn and improve the capability of autonomous driving. Impact for implement is enabling Tesla to lead the autonomous driving industry and create a safer and smarter driving experiences. And the next is music and audio streaming fields, like Spotify with personalizing music and podcasts. Spotify use ML to create personalized playlists, such as Discovery Weekly and Daily Mix based on user listening habits. ML also analyze user behavior to recommend song, album, and podcasts that match user preference. Impact for implementing AI and ML, Spotify is able to increase user engagement and create a personalized listening experiences for each user, increasing customer loyalty. The next is a social media field to implement AI and ML, like Facebook, now it's Meta, implement content filtering and advertising. Facebook use ML to filter inappropriate content, moderated comment, and serve personalized ads to user. ML also help detect suspicious behavior and spam on the platform. And impact for the Facebook, the application of machine learning improve user safety and convenience while helping company increase revenue from targeted advertising. In the next is finance fields for implementation AI and ML is JP Morgan case. That case is fraud detection and credit decisioning. JP Morgan case user ML for transaction fraud detection and credit risk analysis. The algorithm analyze transaction behavior pattern to identify anomaly that could indicate fraudulent activity. JP Morgan also use ML to automate legal and contract reporting through its COIN. COIN is Contract Intelligence Program. Impact for the implement of AI and ML is help reduce fraud risk and increases operational efficiency in contract review and legal analysis. And the next in manufacturing and energy sector. Siemens. Siemens use a predictive maintenance. Siemens use ML for a predictive maintenance in their factories with involved monitoring machine and analyzing sensor data in real time to predict when a machine will fail. ML algorithm also help in operational optimization to reduce production downtime and improve energy efficiency. And the impact for implementation of AI and ML is predictive maintenance alone, seem to save costs and increase productivity, reducing the frequency of downtime and production machine learning. Okay, this is my presentation. Thank you. The time is yours for Mrs. Novita or
For all participants, if you have any question for the speaker, please add them to the chat or you can raise your hand. Yeah, thank you.
okay, thank you, Mr. Noorul Hassan. The time is yours. I am lecturer SPD. Maybe any questions for my lecture? Thank you. Okay, maybe student may pause your question in the chat box. If any question, thank you. Hello, Mr. Noorul Hassan. Are you in there? Sepertinya tidak ada pertanyaan, Miss Novita.
Students, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I hear you.
Okay, sir.
Is end to my lecture.
Okay, sir. Sir, students, do you have any doubt or any questions you may ask through the chat box, or else you may ask to speaker. He's ready to answer. Students are asked to post your questions in chat box, or else they may ask question to our speaker. So students, do you have any questions? You may ask. Sir, on behalf of the students of artificial intelligence, I would like to ask one question. How the digital transformation is possible uh, by using artificial intelligence in real world without affecting others, or without upgrading the ethics of artificial intelligence. Can you please answer?
Okay, thank you. What ethical consideration should be kept in our mind as we develop AI technology aimed at sustainability goals? Uh, Developing AI technology to achieve sustainability goals involve important ethical considerations to ensure that this technology support positive outcome for society, for the environment, and future generations. Here is some of the key ethical principle to keep in mind. The number one is transparency and accountability. AI systems should be transparent, allowing users to understand how they reach decision, especially in a critical area like climate modeling, resource management, and policy recommendation. Developer and organization must be responsible for AI output, especially if decisions have adverse effect on community or ecosystem. Clear governance framework can help establish accountability. The next is data privacy and security. Many sustainability applications of AI, for example, energy usage tracking or personal consumption monitoring, require a significant data. It is essential to protect individual privacy and handle personal data responsibly, adhering to the data protection regulation. The sensitive data collected should be protected from misuse and breaches, as poor security can undermine public trust and even harm the sustainability goal that AI aims to support. The third one is equity and fairness. AI solutions should consider the need of diverse population, especially vulnerable community that might be disproportionately affected by climate change and environmental issues. Sustainability focus AI should be designed to avoid bias that could reinforce social inequalities, such including low-income population from resource allocation or exacerbating environmental risks in marginalized area. The next is environmental impact of AI itself. Training and running large AI model can consume significant amount of energy, effort to minimize the environmental footprint of AI itself. Through efficient algorithm and data processing are essential to ensure that technology does not counteract sustainability effort. AI systems should be designed with consideration of their entire life cycle, from development to deployment to disposal, aiming to reduce water and resource consumption executed with hardware. And the next is social and economic impact. As AI automates various tasks, it can displace jobs, impacting local economy and livelihood. Supporting reskilling and job transition can help address this change ethically. Engaging communities in the development and implementation of AI for sustainability ensure that the solutions are tailored to their needs and do not disrupt local practices or resources. And the next is long-term impact and unintended consequences. AI should be developed with a focus on long-term sustainability, ensuring that these benefits are not temporary, but will continue to support environmental and social health for future generations. AI developer must consider potential negative side effects, such as over dependency on AI system for environmental monitoring, which could reduce human oversight and degrade natural relations if mismanaged. And the last is collaborative and inclusive innovation.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Okay.
can you hear me?
Yes, I'm hear you, but not clear. Okay, this is my answer for question one. Thank you. Mrs. Noorul, time is yours. Okay.
Hello, Professor, can you hear me?
Second question. How do we ensure AI systems are unbiased and fair? Oh, no. What role does IML play in creating sustainable business model that balance innovation with resource efficiency? Artificial intelligence and machine learning play a vital role in enable sustainability business model that harmonize innovation with resource efficiency by optimizing a process, improving decision making, and provide insight into complex system. AI and ML technology help business minimize waste, lower their environmental impact, and create value sustainability. Here is a closer look at how AI and ML contribute to resource efficiency. The one is optimized resource utilization. AI-driven system can monitor and adjust energy consumption in real time, optimizing energy usage in manufacturing, in data center, and other high energy operation. For example, is Google use AI to reduce the cooling costs of its data center by 40%. AI can model the production process to identify area where raw material can be used more efficiently, reducing waste. ML algorithm can predict material need accurately, reducing overproduction and stockpiling. In the next is enabling circular economy model. Enabling circular economy model by prediction when equipment will fail or require maintenance. AI help extend the lifespan of machinery, reducing the need for replacement, part of conserving resources. Waste reduction and recycling. AI-based image recognition and sorting algorithm can streamline recycling process, making it easier to sort and recycle material. EA can also analyze product and processing to identify potential waste and suggest circular design modification. And the data-driven decision-making for sustainability. Real-time insight. AI help business make informed decision with real-time data. For example, in a logistic, AI can monitor fuel consumption, road efficiency, and vehicle maintenance needs to minimize emission and costs. For sustainability sourcing, ML algorithm analyze supplier data to assess their sustainability practices, helping company make more responsible sourcing decision that reduce environmental impact throughout the supply chain. And the next is personalized customer experience with reduced waste, demand forecasting, and inventory optimization. ML model help company better predict customer demand, preventing overproduction and excess inventory. This is especially relevant in introduce like fashion and food, where unsold goods often go wasted. Targeting marketing and reduce return. Targeted marketing and reduce return, where AI can be used to create more personalized recommendation, reducing the likelihood of return, which often lead to additional waste in transportation and handling. And the next is improving supply chain transparency and traceability. For sustainability logistic, AI optimize logistic by identifying the most fuel efficient routes, predicting demand spikes, and planning transportation schedule. This minimize the carbon footprint and distribution network. For traceability for compliance, AI-driven data tracking help company monitor supply chain compliance with environmental regulation and standard, ensuring sustainability practice across the production chain. This is for answer for question number 2. Okay, and the next question is, can you explain the difference between artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning? Okay, thank you. Artificial intelligence or AI, machine learning or ML, and deep learning or DL are closely related but distinct fields. Here is an overview of each along with how they relate to one another. The first one is artificial intelligence or AI. Definition of AI is a broad field focused on creating systems that can perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. This includes tasks like recognizing speech, solving problems, understanding language, making decisions, and even playing games. Scope of AI encompasses a wide range of techniques and technologies, including rule-based system, logic-based algorithm, more advanced forms like machine learning and robotica. For example, artificial intelligence product is chatbot, recommendation system, autonomous vehicle, and medical diagnostic tool are really on AI principle. The key point of AI is the overarching concept of machine designed to act intelligently, mimicking human ability in specific tasks. And the next is machine learning or ML. Definition of machine learning is a subset of AI focused on the teaching computer to learn from data, identify pattern, and make decision with minimal human intervention. Instead of being explicitly programmed for its task, machine learning systems improve their performance over time through experiences. Scope of the machine learning use algorithm and statistical model to learn from historical of data, like a supervised learning. The algorithm learn from label data to make prediction or classify the new data. And second one is unsupervised learning. The algorithm find pattern and relationship on unlabeled data. And the next is reinforcement learning. The model learns by interacting with an environment, receiving feedback through reward or penalty. For example, spam filtering in email, use a machine learning, credit scoring in financial, product recommendation in commerce, and image recognition. In the next is deep learning or DL. Definition of deep learning is specialized subset of machine learning that use neural network with many layers, known as deep neural network, to analyze complex patterns in large data sets. DL excels in handle large amount of data and performing tasks that involve high-dimensional data like image or audio. Scope in the DL inspired by the structure of the human brain. Deep learning models are designed to simulate how humans think and recognize patterns, allowing them to perform complex tasks. DL typically require a large amount of data and computational power, which has become more accessible with advancement in hardware, like GPU, graphical processing unit. For example, deep learning used to image recognition, natural language processing, facial recognition, and autonomous driving system heavily rely on deep learning. The key point of deep learning is type of ML that use layered neural network to process highly complex data structure, particularly useful for advanced tasks like image and speech recognition. This is an answer for question 3. In the next question is, how do you ensure data security and privacy during a digital transformation? To ensuring data security and privacy during a digital transformation is essential to protect sensitive information. We will trust the user and comply with regulatory standards. Here is a roadmap for maintaining robust data security and privacy in this process. The first one is establish a data governance framework, like data classification and data ownership and responsibility. Identify and classify data based on sensitivity level from public to highly confidential. This helps prioritize protection effort for the most critical information. And the data ownership and responsibility define clear roles and responsibility for data management. from the data ownership to data stewardship to ensure accountability across all levels in the company. The next is implement strong access control, like a role-based access control or multi-factor access control. Rule-based access control limit the data access based on employee role and responsibility, ensuring only authorized personnel or personnel can access sensitive information. And use a multi-factor authentication, require multiple layer of authentication for access to sensitive system, especially for remote or high privilege account. And the next is data encryption. Encryption in the transit and at rest of the data, and to-end encryption for sensitive communication. Encrypt data both as a move across network in transit and while it is stored at rest to protect against unauthorized access. End-to-end encryption for sensitive communication. This is for highly sensitive data. Implement end-to-end encryption to ensure it remains secure from point of origin to destination of data. And the next is adopt privacy by design principle, like minimize of data collection and anonymize unpseudo minimization. Minimizing of data collection, collect only the data necessary for business operation and avoid excessive data collection to reduce the risk and burden of managing large data sets. And anonymization and pseudo-anonymization is used technique like anonymization or pseudo-anonymization to de-identify personal data where possible, making it harder to trace data back to the individual. And the next is regular data audit and monitoring, continuous monitoring and threat detection, and regular audit and compliance checking. Deploy tools to monitor the data access, identify anomaly for a data access, and detect potential security threat in a real-time access. Conduct periodic data audit to assess the effectiveness of the data security measure and ensure compliance with relevant data protection regulation. And the next is employee training and awareness. Data security training provide employee with training and data security best practice, including recognizing phishing attempt, handling sensitive data, and reporting security incident. And privacy awareness ensure that employee understand data privacy requirement and regulation that affect your industry and the importance of handling data responsibility. And the next is secure data storage and backup. Data backup and recovery plan, for example, and secure cloud on-premises storage. Implement regular data backup and maintenance disaster recovery plan to ensure data integrity and availability in case of data loss or breaches. If using cloud storage, ensure that the provider meet highly security standard and provides feature like encryption, access control, and compliance certification. And the next is compliant with the data protection regulation, like understand regulatory requirement and implement policy for data handling. Familiarize yourself with regulation like GDPR, CCPR, or industry-specific standard that impose strict data security and privacy requirement, and implement policy for data handling. Establish clear data handling policy that align with regulatory requirement and inform employee and stakeholder of their responsibility, and many others. Okay. And the next question is, what foundation skill and concept should someone master to pursue a career in EI? Pursuing a career in EI requires mastering a combination of foundational skill in mathematics, programming, data science, and specialized knowledge in EI and machine learning technique. In mathematics and statistics like linear algebra, calculus, probability and statistics, optimization. Linear algebra essential for understanding algorithm like neural network and computer vision technique. Key topic include vector, metric, and operation. Calculus, integral for optimization and training machine learning model, especially understanding gradients, derivative, and partial derivative used in backpropagation for neural network. And probability and statistics, critical for data interpretation, understanding uncertainty, and building probabilistic model. Concept like Bayes' theorem, probability distribution, and hypothesis testing are fundamental. And programming skill like Python, R, or object-oriented programming, version control like GitHub. The most popular language for IE is Python with extensive library like TensorFlow, PyTorch, Scikit-learn for building and testing model. And the next is data science and data processing. Data wrangling and cleaning. Skill in handling and cleaning a large database or data set to make them suitable for analysis are essential. Data visualization, knowing how to visualize data using library like Matplotlib, Seaborn, or Plotly. This is crucial for exploratory data analysis and communicating results. And SQL and database. Familiarity with SQL and database, like SQL and NoSQL on big data, help manage and retrieve large data set and common tasks in AI application. And the next is machine learning fundamental, like a supervised and unsupervised learning. Understand the different type of machine learning, like regression, classification, clustering, and when to apply each approach. And popular algorithm, knowledge of K algorithm, such as decision tree, support vector machine, Canary snake boards, K-mean clustering, naive Bayes classifier. And model evaluation and selection. The skill is evaluating model using metric like accuracy, precision, recall, and one score, drop and out are vital for accessing model performance. And the next is model tuning and hyperparameter optimization. There is technique like a cross-validation, grid search, and random search are essential for fine-tuning model for optimal performance. And the next is deep learning, like a neural network, backpropagation, and optimization, specialized deep learning architecture and framework or library. Neural network understanding the architecture of neural network, including feed-forward, convolutional, and recurrent network. In the backpropagation and automation neural network, there is knowledge of how model learn and adjust weight using backpropagation and optimization algorithm like a gradient descent. And specialized deep learning architecture, familiarity with architecture such as CNN, convolutional neural network for image data, RNN for sequential data, and transformer for NLP tasks or natural language processing tasks. And the next is framework and library. Hands-on experience with deep learning library such as TensorFlow and PyTorch is important for implementing complex model. And the next is natural language processing, like a text processing and tokenization, NLP technique, and transformer and large language model. Text processing and tokenization, this is a basic of handling and processing text data, including tokenization, stemming, and limitation. NLP technique, there is a familiarity with technique like sentiment analysis, name entity recognition, topic modeling, and word embeddings. And transformer, for understanding modern architecture like transformer, used in the model like BERT and GPT that have revolutionized NLP. Okay, this answer for next question. The next question is, how might AI change our life in the next few years? Maybe in the next few years, AI is poised to make significant change across multiple aspects of daily life, working, and society, like healthcare advancement, personalized medicine, diagnostic and predictive health, virtual health assistant, personalized medicine, where AI will help tailor treatment based on individual genetic, lifestyle, and environmental factor, making healthcare more personalized and effective. For diagnostic and predictive health in healthcare advancement, where AI-driven diagnostic will become more common, identifying diseases at early stage through image analysis, predictive model, and biomarker detection. For example, AI can screen for disease like cancer, cardiovascular condition, and neurological disorder more accurately and efficiently. And virtual health assistant, AI-powered virtual assistant and chatbot will support patient in managing chronic condition, answering health patient, and reminding them to medication. And the next is revolution in education, like personalized learning experiences, automated administrative tasks, and enhancing learning accessibility. AI will enable adaptive learning platform that adjust the curriculum based and student based strength and learning style, improving outcome for diverse learners. And automated administrative tasks, where educator will benefit from AI system that help automate grading, automate attendance for a class, and even course planning, freeing them to focus in interactive and higher level teaching tasks. And AI-driven translation tool, captioning, and personalized accessibility option will make education more inclusive for students with different language background and ability. And for the work and productivity tool, like automation of routine tasks, intelligent collaboration tool, and AI in recruitment. Automation of routine tasks like AI will handle repetitive tasks across industry, such as data entry, scheduling, customer service inquiries, allowing employee to focus on strategic and creative work. In intelligent collaborative tool, AI enhanced productivity tool will streamline workflow, predict the scheduling needs, and prioritize tasks, and even suggest next step in a project. And AI in requirement, AI will be used to screen resume, conduct initial interview, and evaluate candidate compatibility, making requirement faster and potentially reducing hiring bias. In the next is transportation and autonomous system, like self-driving cars, smart cities, and drone or robotic for delivery. Self-driving cars, well, widespread adoption might take time. Autonomous vehicle will become more common in public transport and delivery services. This could reduce road accident, optimize fuel consumption, and increase access to transportation. In the smart city, AI will help manage traffic flow, reduce congestion, and optimize public transport schedule based on real-time data. And the smart city infrastructure may also integrate AI for energy efficient lighting, water management, and public safety monitoring. And the drone and robotic technology for deliveries, where AI-driven drone and delivery robot are expected to handle more last-mile deliveries, making logistics faster and more efficient, especially in urban area. And the next is environmental and sustainability solution, like a smart energy management, climate change monitoring, and waste reduction. In the smart energy management, AI can optimize energy consumption in home and building by predicting and managing energy need, which could help reduce carbon emission and energy waste. In the climate change monitoring, AI model will improve climate change projection, track emission, and manage resources like water and agriculture for more sustainable practices. And the waste reduction, AI system can help in sorting and recycling process, automating waste categories, and increasing recycling rates. In the retail and customer experience, AI to personalize shopping experience, automated customer services, and smart supply chain management. In the personalized shopping experience, AI will enhance online shopping with personalized recommendation, virtual try-on for clothing, and real-time assistant to help consumer find product they want. In the automated customer service, like a chatbot and virtual assistant will become more sophisticated, offering more accurate and human-like interaction for faster customer service. And smart supply chain management, AI will help retailers manage inventory, predict demand, and streamline logistics, making supply chain more efficient and responsive to consumer needs. In the finance and banking, like fraud detection and security, personalized financial planning, and automated trading and risk management. In fraud detection and security, AI pattern recognize capability will make fraud detection more effective, helping to prevent cyber attack and identify suspicious activity in real time. In the personalized financial planning, AI-driven tool will provide more tailored financial advice based on spending habits, financial goal, and market trend, making personal finance more accessible. In the automated trading and risk management, in investment and trading, AI will be used to predict market trend and manage risk with more precision, more optimizing portfolio management. In the next is enhanced entertainment and media, like a content personalization, virtual and augmented reality experiences, content creation. Content personalization, where streaming platform will use AI to recommend more personalized contents, such as a movie, music, podcast, based on individual preference. And okay.
Sir, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I'm here, but not clear.
Thank you for your wonderful webinar. And now I would like to welcome our student representative on behalf of the IDS to deliver the vote of thanks.
Okay. I will answer for the next item.
I am honored and privileged to get the opportunity to propose a vote of thanks on this special day. I am very thankful to management of Arunai Engineering College to shape this webinar. I would like to thank our honorable chairman, beloved vice chairman sir, and our honorable registrar principal sir, and HOD of AADS. I extend my warm thanks to today's chief guest, Migunani, Head of Information System Department,
Okay,
for the topic Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning Driving Sustainable Digital Transformation. At last, I would like to thank our AADS cybersecurity students, technicians, staff members, press and media for making this event grand success. Thank you.
Thank you, Professor Migunani, for your wonderful webinar. Thank you, Novita Ankisari.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Mr. Noorul Hassan.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
For facilitating in a lecture.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Students may leave your Zoom meeting now.